If you're a femboy. Chat, I'm a femboy. I'm a femboy now. It is what it is. YouTube has a brilliant new feature which allows me to where is it? Live stream on shorts at the same time. Right? Yo, there's such an outrageous message sent on the Discord server right now. We are the most normal here. This is the biggest lie I've ever seen in my life, man. What just happened? This is such cap, like incredible cap. Oh man, I love Arch Linux. I don't. Too late, Gabe, you're a femboy. I mean, that's what I said at the start of the stream. Let's see, shorts. Am I live on shorts? It doesn't say I am. It doesn't say I am. Okay, we got infinite recursion again. You have to wear a Thunder Ray outfit. I actually don't know what that is. Ah. Yeah. Yeah, that's never happening, man. Man, that's never happening, man. I still got to figure out how this... How do I send this to a window? I need to... Nope. Ah, cool. I'm just now practicing how Arch Linux works again. Coolio. So you what, mate? 2 hours late? Ah, you're capping, buddy. You're capping, man. I'm not late. I didn't actually say I'm gonna start at 6. I didn't actually, so I said it's around evening time. So Jamie, do you have an idea what I should do? Because I've actually got no plan. Iron SIMD. Learn SIMD. Alright. Okay. It's a type of parallel computing in Flint's taxonomy. SIMD describes computers with multiple processing elements that perform the same operation on multiple data points simultaneously. Hey, blood. Original. Was good in the hood, man. You know what? This actually sounds cool. What is it? Well, if this is a ChatGPT generated document, I don't need to be on GitHub for it. Single instruction, multiple data is parallel computing model where one instruction operates multiple data elements simultaneously. Non-simmed is basically a normal for loop. So 4 cycles. The CPU executes one instruction that processes 4 elements at once. If using 256-bit registers, who on earth is using 256-bit registers? Can handle 8 30-bit flats at once. Okay. Using built-in CPU support, or may I use CPU feature? What? To detect sim capability runtime. Okay, let's do that now, I guess. So AVX2. Right. Then SDC out AVX2 supported. So this is so we're just checking if my compiler supports simmed. I'm gonna test myself. What is simmed? Simmed is single instruction multiple data. Is it? Ah, okay, right. It is. We missed you, Pookie. Hello. There's a special header file to include. Yeah, I'm getting there. I'm sure this website is good for it. What's the header file though? What? What's going on? Alright. So else okay. That took way too long. That took way too long. So it's not supported, man. It's not possible. Looks like the stream Hey, stream, gotta do something else. AVX2 not supported, my friend. It's not. Why is printf not working? Include, oh, okay. Let's include this. Six, 5, 4, 3. Used simd to speed up your code by 10 times. So why is this one saying it's not supported? Writing simd friendly code. So apparently this isn't supported either. That is so mad. G++ 03 March native. Okay, now it works. Okay, so let's try that again. So seemed right. This is some easy stuff, man. It is waffle because it doesn't work. I don't want to read this GPT slop anymore. Let's go and learn Microsoft, but that is on the .NET, so it's not good for us. I'm gonna put some music on. Cause I go sleepy without it, man. What about this one? I'm joking. Let's get some Orion back. Seems alright. Volume. Seems. Okay. You can make a simmed accelerated ray tracer or Mandelbrot set. You know, a ray tracer does sound cool. It only takes 1 hour to make a ray tracer. First of all, I need to ask, what exactly is a ray tracer? I don't know the exact definition. Modeling light transport. Okay. Okay. Oh, I've got to ask as well. Raycaster versus ray tracer. Our Lord and Savior, Stack Overflow once again. Raycast is using raster image to hold the scene and usually stop on first hit, no reflections and ray splitting, and does not necessarily cast ray on per pixel basis. Well, ray casting is Wolfenstein style rendering. Oh, I really liked Wolfenstein. Ray tracing is 1990 CGI. Path tracing is modern CGI. Yeah, I like this game. Pretty sick. You can't get it on Linux though. Cannot get it on Linux. Blood, look into ray tracing. You can make anything. You can make anything shit. You can make... Oh, sorry. I don't have my glass on. You can make amazing shit. Okay, cool. Ray tracing. I want to make a ray tracing mod for a Minecraft. For Minecraft. Thingy-majiggy, you know what I mean? Minecraft mod. But that is Java and I do not like Java, so let's see. Open source ray tracing library, that's cool. Which allows for synthesis of photorealistic images. First world libraries developed for academic purposes. University students, well that would be me next year, so there's a lot of dependencies. A lot of dependencies, man. What the fuck? Man. What the fuck? This audio is getting messed up. We're back here again. Okay, so yeah, it's a lot of things. We assume OpenCV was already installed. I did not install it. Okay. 3D ray tracing graphics library C++. But aren't GPUs hidden? The GPU code is hidden behind proprietary licenses. Jamie, should I learn OpenGL? Write a ray tracer. I want to vibe code it actually, give me a sec. Write me a ray tracer. I want to see what this guy does first. What? I don't know vector math yet. Not the high level one yet. Make it yourself. I will make it myself. I just want to see what this guy does first. Will this actually work? This won't work. I don't think it will. Yeah, I am using simd with the O2 flag. O2 flag, yeah. What's ppm? I've never seen ppm before. How do you... What is ppm file? Portable pixmap format. Uncompressed way of storing to represent colors. Okay. Okay. You know, that's pretty cool. I haven't heard of this file format before. So how does one open a how to open a ppm image file in Arch Linux. I'm just gonna go in the GUI. Someone's gonna kill me for this though. William will kill me for this. Where is it? Yo, where is... Bro, where is my stuff? There, okay. No way. Is that real? That's actually an image. Crazy. Now, how do I open this? What all these applications? I actually don't have a way of opening images. What about this one? Yo, does anyone know how to use how to open a ppm file? No, I don't. I didn't download an image viewer yet. I didn't install one. Oh, cool. Which one is best? Fair is the best one. Okay, cool. So this is what we made somehow. I mean, obviously I didn't make it, but somehow. What just happened? That thing just moved. The image just moved, man. Okay, so let's go back here. Let me see, what has it done? IO stream, CMAF, and limits. What is limits library? CPP reference. Of course, it doesn't give me the right link. Provides a standardized way to query the properties of arithmetic types, such as their minimum and maximum values. Okay. Coolio. Epsilon. So many math words. Okay. I'm really curious how it actually made an image file. How has it done that? Oh, okay. So it's using cout. I thought cout was only for like a text buffer for console applications. Can you use cout to output files? Exactly. So cout is for outputting to the console. So why on earth is this GPT doing this? Why is it doing that? That's why. I understand. I now understand. You can use cout to output files. This is really confusing me. Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking. Ray tracer, and then the angled bracket, image.ppm. That takes the cout and puts it in a file. So why is this AI telling me I can't do that? This AI is so stupid. Oh my day. What? You can actually move these images around. That is mad. I want to zoom in. Gabe, add blind fong lightning to the sphere. Do you know what blin means in Russian? Jamie, do you know what blin means in Russian? Lambert shading is a technique using computer graphics to simulate how light interacts with Mate surfaces. Well, I don't think we have Mate surfaces here. Pancake? Yes, it means pancake, good job. But it's used, does it mean you have 9 people watching? No. Good job, Izumi Isakuraya. I hope I said your name right. Didn't want to obliterate your name. Right. Now this it's actually 13 now. I'm just so confused. How on earth we are making an image out of this? Right? We are not using any graphics library, it's just cout. We're just using vectors and maths. And we're using std cout to put it in a file. This is some magician sorceries right now. Is this Hyperland? Yes. This is Hyperland. But don't ask me any questions about it because one of my moderators helps me install this and configure it. So I actually don't know what on earth is going on. Squiggly cursor. Honestly, I don't know what that is. I suspect you're referring to this thing. Yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. out of water again. Jamie, how do you know all of this stuff? You didn't go to university. Hello, Craft from Zen. Oi, mate, implement Lambert shading or else what, buddy? What are you gonna do about it? Isn't this to do with matte surfaces? Or was that a different one? That was a different thingy, whatever the hell. Okay, so C++. Alright, let's do this. Does anyone in the chat know how to do this? I think I'm a bit cooked. It is what you say it is. It can be Lambert if you say so. Okay. Jimmy, calm down. Calm down. I think you drank a bit too much today. Should have added by the way. Should have added by the way in the title. Oh, I need to do that. I need to do that right now. Thank you. That is such a good idea. I'm gonna do that right now. Oh, thank you. That is an awesome thing to do, right? So, Lambert shading refers to computer graphics to simulate how light interacts with surfaces with Lambert's cosine law, which shades the intensity of light on a surface proportional to the cosine of the angle between the light source and the surface normal. So we can use OpenGL and DirectX. I don't know neither. I think DirectX would be a much harder one. Oh, this one's already made it. This guy's already made it for us. So, yeah, that's not for me. Oh, mate, it's literally 2 lines of code. That's such cap. Tell me then. If you're so smart. You and your apple cider beer from One Stop. Your discounted apple cider beer. Oh, not beer. Apple cider. Layout location is 0. This isn't even C++. I've never seen the out keyword before. Jamie, what's the 2 lines of code then? That's why you don't need to do any of this. Vec3 Lambert, that's actually 4 lines of code. Double what you said, actually. Buddy. Okay. Float Lambert, vector 3 normal. Vec3 light direction. DP is normal ... minus light dir. Alright, let's do that. Return max. I don't have max. Change max to F max. Okay. We'll change it to F max. Didn't mean to do that. So where do I use this? Lambert. Oh, it returns a float though. What do I do with the float? Float Lambert. Normal. Light's direction. I don't know what the light direction is. Do you know what the light direction is? I don't think you do. Oh, thanks for the subscribe, Bilal. Welcome, brother or sister. Yeah, I got no clue what I'm doing right now. Light direction. How's that a vector? I'll just do this. Okay. Right, and then nearly forgot the semicolon. And then I need to use it somewhere. Let's just try that. Let's just try that. That made absolutely no difference to the image. Oh, bro's he's lagging in the chat. Oh no, this guy's freaking out. Oi mate, put the function above the function that gives a cola. What cola? Bro, we don't drink Coca-Cola over here, we drink Pepsi. Oi mate, look at the function when you hit the spheres. Above the Lambert function. I haven't looked at chat in a few minutes. This guy's spazzing out. In ray color. Calculate the shading there. Okay. So I forgot how you cut. How you cut in Neovim. Okay. What is going on? You love the carpet? Thanks, man. It is awesome, to be fair. You know where I got it from? The charity shop. I think. I used to think I brought it from Romania, but I actually didn't. Well, my parents didn't. We just got it from somewhere here in England. Jamie, that's not how it works. We can't just return Lambert. We can't just ignore this return statement and create our own one. I would just mess it up, but I'll try it. See, we got an error. Where's the error? This one. Okay, no more errors. Okay, let's try this then. No errors. Okay, it worked. It worked. We got this guy's, what was it called again? Fentanyl algorithm. Lambert algorithm. Yeah, I mean it looks worse now. I don't know why you would want to do that. It looks worse, but yeah. What is it, blood? You gave it incorrect parameters. You know what, smarty pants. You figure out yourself. I'm gonna go refill my water bottle. If it's not done by the time I'm back, someone's getting banned. So yeah, just a little warning there. I'll be back in a minute. What just happened? My screen just died. It just turned black. It's fully dead. My monitor literally just died right now. It just gave up. Why? My monitor just died now. Alright, I fixed it. Should be good. Yeah, that's it. Alright, we're back to normal now. Alright, we cool, man. We cool. Yeah, I don't know what happened there, but we're just gonna ignore that. So what do you say? Gabe, you got 400 subs. Yeah, I got that like 2 days ago. Thank you everyone for 400 subscribers. Very cool. Very cool. I wonder who was the 400th. I should go around that person's house and give them a big hug. Right, so back to the return function, right? Lambert normal vector free dot normalize. You know, man, I have an idea. Let's just completely quit that idea. Why are we talking about the Windows system? We are on Wayland, bruv. Yeah, they have. Yeah, Nvidia's got the proprietary drivers which we cannot see. Okay. RTX 2070. Yeah. So, compiling a simple GL program That is a lot of lines of code for a simple program. Simple. Alright, let's check this out, right? No, it doesn't work. Doesn't work. Oh, it worked. So what did I do wrong? Oh, I put a lowercase l on LGL. Okay, so what is this gonna do then? Hopefully it doesn't crash my system. I'm currently not seeing anything. Oh, my screen's frozen. All right, 1 sec. Yeah, it's because my monitor died. So okay, that's better, yeah? Thanks for telling me. Right. So, anyways, all I've done is did something with OpenGL, right? But it's not actually working. I just used this code as a test program. I compiled it like this, and it's currently stuck. Who's that? Who's that person in the doorway? Huh? Yeah, okay. That's alright. The ray tracer is gone. Because I'm not learning from the ray tracer. So I want to check out this OpenGL. So that website, right? It said it was comprehensive guide. It didn't actually give me this stuff. Wait. Hold on a second. So I asked this clanker, how can I install OpenGL on Arch Linux? And you give me this shit. This does not exist on Arch. Average clanker, all my days. You know, I have plus as well. I have GPT plus, so I'm expecting it to be good. How are you, Crow from Zen? Failed to remove prepared transaction. Okay. Nope. Nope. Mate, just use GLFW. Isn't that what I did? Or did I mess up? How many times do I need to install it before it works? I don't have main blood. You're eating curd pie, peanut butter, and drinking soy milk while watching your stream and coding a bit of C++ Raylib. That just gave me an idea. Enjoy drinking your milk and peanut butter. You just reminded me that Raylib exists, and I actually enjoy Raylib. So let's see. Raylib is cool, man. It's cool. Right, that's it. We're deleting the ray tracing thing again. No, sorry, not ray tracing. OpenGL. Oh. Okay, anyways. Okay. How do I install Raylib? I always forget how to do this. Always, man. So, check twice that your meta is working. I don't think it went through the first time because of Sue. It should be just S. I already deleted the file. But thanks for giving me the tips. I appreciate it. Unfortunately, the file's already deleted. What is this? Sudo Pacman S Raylib. No, don't tell me it's that simple. No way. So now I can just include it in my files. Really? Oh, wow. That is so interesting. Okay, thanks for that. Craft drums then. And my favorite website of all time, Raylib cheat sheets. Right, let's do this. So, what's the first what's the entry point of the application? Is it just main? It might just be main. Oh yeah, it is, yeah. Because it's not like it's a Windows API. So, yeah. It is easier on Arch as I didn't have to link anything together. Good thing we're on Arch then. You're on Arch as well, Craft from Zen. Do you know how to compile? I'm missing a compiling flag, aren't I? I mean, I had to add it in cmake list.txt. Right. I don't know how to use cmake yet. Oh, it's on my opposite monitor for some reason. One sec. So for some reason it's there. Anyways, we've got this, but there's no title showing. There's no close button. I wonder, can we make a close button? You forgot to click the build in Visual Studio. You forgot to click the button build in Visual Studio. My friend, I do not use Visual Studio. At least not today. I do in other streams, but not now. It's building now. Okay. I didn't mean to do that. I just closed the entire window. Okay, good. Sorry for the sniffling. I've currently got chronic rhinitis and I will do for the rest of my life, so yeah. So, right. It got another update. Oh my. LSP config. Let's do that then. Come on. How do I draw on the screen? I completely forgot. Although I should only do that once. we can have multiple buffers for screen drawing. That is really useful. Nice. We can take a screenshot. I wonder, can we crash our computer with this? You'll still give me an error. What is the error, man? This is racism. This is racism. It's allowing this kind of string, but it's not allowing STD2 string. This is racism, bro. Alright. What is the problem? It's a string. Ah, morti. Right. That's it. Let's see if this breaks something. Failed to export image. Failed screenshot could not be saved. Okay. Why not though? C string after 2 string. Really? So you're saying it wants it as a C style string, but it's allowing me to use STD string. It does not work, my friend. Doesn't work. Oh, because I doesn't exist yet, my bad. Okay, it does work. It does work. So then I can just do it still doesn't like it. It still does not like it, man. I wonder what's going on. You have I commented out. Yeah, I did. Okay. That's not working. I'll have to try something else. What? It's not work. I literally have a string right here and it's not working. What? What's going on? Maybe once is a reference. No, it doesn't. Pointer. No, it doesn't. The stream's current bitrate, 15,000, is higher than the recommended bitrate. Shut up. Okay. I guess I'll just do it once. I just want to see how the screenshot function works. Right? I just want to do it once. You really want to take 60 screenshots a second? Yes. Yes, I do. I'd actually do it faster. I want to see if I can break my computer. This thing keeps falling. Couldn't be me, man. C++ is confusing as hell. Yes, I fully agree. I suck at C++. I've been doing this for about 4 months. And I barely know the basics. Alright, let's try this. Failed to export image. Screenshot cannot be saved. No, so this function, it doesn't even work to begin with. Although I might know why. It's because I did it inside begin draw. Right? So maybe it doesn't want to be inside the drawing section of the program. If I try this again. No, okay, that didn't fix it. At that point, it's not a screenshot, this whole video. Yeah, it is a whole video. 60 FPS. It ain't confusing if you actually read what each function does and what type uses. Car from Zen, I think you just solved the mystery. It does want a C-style string, not an STD string. So, but I got to create it on the heap, so then I can add to it, right? So I can make it dynamic. But then it can't be const. Yo, I don't know what I'm doing, man. That's cute. Okay. Take screenshot S. Oh, okay. So I think the only difference between my code and his code is the PNG at the end. That's the only difference. So let's try this. It worked. It worked. Okay. So now if I do ver a.png, damn. Okay. So it takes a screenshot of the application, not my actual computer screen window. That's a bit disappointing, I have to say. I thought it would give me a screenshot of the entire image, of the entire desktop. It's okay. I do not trust Geek for Geeks. They suck. ITOA. Ugh. Stoic. String to int. W raylib moment. How is it a W? I'd like to take screenshots of the desktop. How is it W? I don't get it. Wait, what? It works. I swear I did that before. Getting bruv music back shitting right now, by the way. Yo, proof. Give me proof right now, Finney Wilkin 2008. I don't think the int type has a member function C string. It seems to be working now. So, also, can I do a string concatenation? I don't know if I can. No, I can't, no. Okay, so... Okay, maybe I... How on earth does one do string concatenation in C++? Proof incoming. I can't wait to see it. Why not? Well, C string, I think that's for the STD string, isn't it? Yeah, it's for STD string. You should add the strings together first and then do C string. Yes, that's a very good idea. Thank you. But how? that's the question. Swap operands to plus. That did not do anything, brother. Oh no. This guy actually sent me a video of him shitting. Yo, this guy sent a video of a photo of him shitting, man. This guy's shitting while watching my stream. You know, I respect it. I respect the grind. I fully respect it. That's a dedicated viewer right there. What even is C string? Humble C++ student here. Is that like C style strings? Yeah, I believe so. C underscore string, that takes an STD string and converts it to a C style string. I think both strings should be STD string. Okay, so do I like make a new instance of an STD string? So I think currently this A object is a C style string, so that might be why it's giving me an error. So yeah, so that's fine. Plus .png. That's good. Okay, so now if I right, so now if I surround that in brackets to group it together, then maybe this will work. It does. Yes, it works. Good. It works. No way. Okay. So file name. Right. Oh fuck, it doesn't work. Bro, what's the problem? Hello JTag. Take screenshot file name .c string. You think? That makes no sense. Why does that work? JTag, you're literally like a magician, man. You just come in here, quickly put in a line of code, just solve my entire problem. Mika, that is not happening. Get out of your head. That is a weird concept to place in my mind, but I guess it makes sense. I guess C's strings must be very particular. Yes, brother. Okay. Right, so, and then I do I++ at the end. And I don't actually need this currently, so I'm gonna do this if it's not gonna work. This isn't Python, man. You can't do that here. If I equals so we can get 1,000 pictures, then break. Right. All right, let's do this. So we're gonna get 1,000 pictures. Let's see if our computer stays alive. And after 1,000 pictures, it dies. So we'll do that. Now it's just gonna be a black screen, right? Because I don't have anything on my. I didn't render anything, but we should get 1,000 images. Yes, it's working. Cool. Right, it's gonna take a little minute until it gets up to 1,000. Yo, why is Jamie Pendergast got a new account? All this yap and nothing to show for it. I'll show you something, buddy. I'll show you these 1,000 files. Look at this. Yeah. What's this? What's this, huh? I think this is something. All right, so let's pick a random one, yeah. Someone in the chat, give me a random number. Give me a random number between 1 and 1,000. Quickly. I'm on my iPhone, brother. So you have 2 different accounts. Interesting. What's the size on the disk? I don't know. Thank you, JTag. So let's do fair 493.png. And watch this source right now. I bet I can predict what's on the image. What's on the PNG. It's gonna be a black screen. Oh, I'm such a professional. But I need to go to the toilet, so I need to. Yeah, I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna piss myself. What's the size on the disk? I mean, I have 2 terabytes. I don't know if that's what you're referring to. Ray trace is gone. The size of the images. Oh, I don't know. How do I check? How do I check the size of the images? Unless you can do a ray trace in Raylib, which you probably can from the sound of it. Do image. $16. Maybe that's in bytes or something. Well, there's only one color. Tell me a single fact about SIMD. Well, if you take away the letter I, it becomes a completely different acronym, which I'm not going to say on the stream. What comes after 66? I think it's 67 or 68. We're saving gigabytes of darkness on his storage. Oh no, I just activated Mika's 6-7 nonsense. This guy's 14 years old, leave him alone. Don't worry about him. You don't... Yeah, do you want me to? This guy, stop spamming in the chat, blood. Blood, stop spamming. Right, I'm gonna go to the toilet, man, because I'm gonna, like, explode. Oh no. Look at this. No, 67%. Let us see it, Gabe. This guy is on 67%. No. Why do you guys want him in the stream? What is wrong with you? What's wrong with my viewers? Yeah, you guys should just kiss already. I wish I could vote, but I can't. This isn't a democracy. My chat is not a democracy. You're my number one fan. No, you're not. I'm my number one fan. Anyways, what was I doing? So, back to this. Right, I wanna I want to do a little thing here. So what do I want to do? I want to make like an animation, right? I forgot what the word is. So if you have a really massive book and you flick the pages, like this, right? And you can see all the images. Right, I don't know what it's called. Stop animation, something like that. I want to make that right now. Send in the tanks. Mika, you're gonna get banned regardless, I can't lie. Doesn't matter what the viewers say. So, stop motion with like a circle or something moving around. Or can I draw my own sprites? Stop motion, yeah, that's the word. Stop motion. Draw line 3D. We can draw rectangles, okay. Draw triangle, 3D. I did not include vectors. Let's do that real quick. Why is this not working? They're all just vectors. Rotation angle 5, blue. My bad. I forgot the comma. We'll get there slowly, but slowly but surely. Okay. What's the problem? You're declaring vector in the function parameters. Yes. I realized that was quite silly. Okay. Okay, so why does it say bin? I don't want bin. Okay. So draw a triangle. What's the problem? What is the problem, man? Nope. Okay. I'm not gonna give up, but I'm just gonna ask the clanker. Alright. How to... I've been using the wrong function this entire time. Oh, it works now. Oh my days. Right. Where is my triangle? I don't see a triangle. Out of view. You know what? It might be. But it shouldn't be, because it starts off in the top left. And the top left is relative to the screen size. I don't know though. It's extremely small. The Z component should be 0 on all vertices. Okay. Why? If I may ask. Still nothing. The function wants 3 vertices in counterclockwise order. It's not working from top left of the screen, it's working in 3D space. Ah, okay. Okay. You might also want to set up a simple camera to get Raylib 3D working. Yeah, that would help. Having a camera. Yeah, I don't have that, do I? Try a 2D shape now. But 2D shapes are boring, man. Draw triangle, 2D. Vector 2. What's the other parameters? Okay. And after that, I'll do the 3D one. Still nothing. Okay. Stop. Stop, please. I'm trying to do Control C. Okay. I'm gonna pause the screenshot taking because I don't actually need that anymore. Oh, I don't need it now. So, yeah. Even drawing this triangle isn't working. (2D) is peak, if you say so. Raylib 2D uses a pixel coordinates are fake, so you can use it without a camera. Draw a red square 50-50 with size 100. Draw a rectangle. Okay. Of course your one works. It wants a vector 2D. That's what I gave it. Maybe your eyes are falling. Now make the square move position every frame. Well, I'd have to assign variables to it. It is massive, dude. Bro, that's what she said, man. Anyways, so what's the argument? To a rectangle. Pos x, pos y, int width. Okay. I shouldn't do that here in the while loop. That's a bad idea. Very bad idea. It is not. Oh, I know why it's not moving. Because I'm a silly Billy. So. Oh! I've made my own rhombus. Isn't it supposed to reset? I know what I need to do actually. I need to clear the screen after each drawing. So clear background, white, black. So that should fix it. Yeah, it did fix it. So now it's smooth, 60 FPS. And at some point, it should restart. It should go back to the beginning. It did, okay, good. It is massive, dude. Okay, now do the screenshot thing. I gotta make it faster though. 60 FPS is too slow. On my beast PC. I mean, have you seen my CPU? It costs like £250 or £300, one of them. It's sick. So 5 gigahertz. You know, I don't know why I'm flexing the CPU. It's crap. So 1000 FPS. And then we'll do the screenshot. Okay. Okay. We're gonna have about 100 black images, because it goes out of the screen. I didn't reset it quickly enough. Okay, so let's faire 500. Crazy. Faire 1. They will all be black. You will see why. Why? Ah! Wait, no. Why is it black? I don't know why. I don't know why, man. So powerful CPU can't even render a triangle. Fair enough. I think they will be blacker. You could have done INXI CPU, LCPU. I know why. When are you screenshotting? So I'm taking a screenshot, but I am drawing I'm taking a screenshot, so at first it should be black, and then I'm clearing the background, and then I'm drawing, but then on the next iteration, it should still should have the rectangle in the frame, and then it would take the screenshot, and then it would clear the background. But for simplicity, for like goodness sake, I will do it like this. I don't believe it's gonna make a difference, but let's see. Nope. Screenshotting at the wrong time? I don't think so. I mean, obviously you're right, but I don't understand how it's screenshotting wrong. Clear background, make it black, then draw, then take a screenshot while it's already drawn. What's going on? I currently have a purple cube moving to the right, and with space key it jumps and falls until it hits the ground. I get confused when I try focusing on math, as I overcomplicate things. Bro, good luck on the math, man. You need to know like discrete math or linear math for that graphic stuff. It's hard. I'd put it after end drawing, but unsure. End drawing, or that I don't know how to explain it, but it stops allowing the program to draw. So it deallocates resources for the drawing ability, I believe. After this point, I believe if you try to draw something on the screen, it will either work but weirdly, or it won't work at all because it's not allowed to work. Well, it does have to go after drawing has ended, but before clear. Really? Really? It's interesting. Okay. I understand. Okay. Okay. The 1.png will always be false just because of the way I set it up. Wait, what? No. Anyways. I was wondering if maybe enduring it is when it effectively passes the draw instructions to the GPU. I don't know. Oh, but wait, earlier you did only check the first one too, yeah. That's what I'm thinking as well, Helios. Maybe it worked on the other ones as well, but because I only checked 1.png, I didn't know if it worked or not. So maybe the other versions did work. So use FFmpeg to combine all the screenshots in the video. When the enduring is called, the back buffer is swapped. Call that a red herring. Cool. I did not mean to do that. You gotta go pee. Don't do anything interesting while I'm away. That rarely happens anyway, buddy. That is such a cute animal. I want to have that as a pet. Bro, just bring your phone to the toilet with you. Like, can't be missing any Code Game streams. You know what I mean? I do have to end the video stream soon, though. How to if I could do this automatically with maybe Python or C++, I think it'd be harder in C++. That would be really cool. Mika, stop. It's not gonna happen, buddy. How to create... Yeah, the formatting is weird. Because it's between 1 and 1,000, there's no format. I think, hopefully if I remove that flag, it's not going to break. It broke, okay. Expected a string. Bro. Expected a string but found a string. What are you bullshitting? Why is it in 420p? What the hell? To do in C++, you'd have to look up a video format spec and codec to write all the frame data and metadata to a file. It's easy, but also hard. Remove the angled brackets. Okay, I will. Have all the nightmares you need to. Mika, it's not happening. So I don't need that either. FFmpeg frame rate 60-I %0 3D. So I need the other things as well, the other flags. Nope. Oh, it worked. Okay. I don't believe I have an output for that. I don't have a way of running it. Oh, sick. That is sick. And it just disappears halfway. What? What is going on? Way. All thanks to JTag and Izumi Sakurai. Yeah, sick. That's pretty cool. Now I want to do like something like this, but with obviously complex animations, maybe 3D stuff, and taking in user input as well. Maybe user movement in a game, maybe. This could be like recording it. And then automating the FFmpeg process. Maybe I could just take this command and just do and execute it as in a system function. which I know it's not safe, but I think I could just copy all of this and put it in system, right? I'll show you what I mean. Didn't mean to do that. Do I have system? Or am I still thinking in my Python brain? System. Hold on a sec. That's what I want to do. I'm just going to do a test real quick. It works. Okay. Okay. All right. That's good. So now, if I can get this, right, copy that. And then what about this then, eh? What about this? Right. And then I do command. This will work. Why is it not working? It's gonna work. Okay, good. Right. So let's do that. All right. Easy automation. Automation with Gabe, isn't this cool? All right. And so at the end of this, oh, fuck, I didn't mean to do that. I just lost my paste buffer. Oh, damn it. Okay, it's fine. System, what was it? Command, C string. Okay, let's try this out. So, I'm gonna move main.cpp there. And then I can delete all of this. So main dot, yeah. Okay. So now I need to delete that folder to start again, basically. Okay. So that should be done now. Now I'll make directory raylib, cd into that. Now I'll move main.cpp here. Oh, what? Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. Oh no. I moved it somewhere. on the system. Nice. A good start could be allowing drawing with a mouse cursor. That wouldn't the output be lost? Yeah. Drawing with the mouse cursor sounds like a good idea. Yeah. You moved it to root. Arch Gentoo when? I'm not doing Gentoo. Can't be asked for that. You done playing Fortnite? You know what? Good for you. I think I did. Move main.cpp. How do I move it here? Isn't it Just here. I don't. What's the here command? Isn't it just one dot? It is. Okay, good. Right. So let's compile this. So now we should get as an output the MP4 file and all the videos, all the photos. Here is dot slash. Ah, okay. I get it. Yes, dot or dot slash. Okay. And we also did this as well. Where is it? Where's my text? Now converting to MP4 format. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And now it's done. Yeah. Alright, cool. There. I don't think this is gonna work. Nah, it doesn't work. That's fine. So I've got nothing in my secret window. I can put this here. So what is this? What is this, mate? Ah, this is mad. I'm deleting that. Okay. So then we got this thing. It's currently a bit, the FPS is a bit bad. It looks only 30 or 60. Well, it is 60, but it looks worse than that. Yeah, you got exposed. Okay, so the entire job is automated now. Bring it back. You want to get exposed again? This is mental. Anyways. Yeah, it's done, so. But the thing I did earlier with Feynman's ray tracing, it looks bad. So, I might need to fix that one day. But yeah, the stream's gonna end now, right? It's a bit late now. Where's my files gone? Ah, there it is. Okay. Okay. Wait, Arch Linux is making me weird out again. What's it? Okay, that's there. And then I can do that. Okay, good. Alright. I'm getting the hang of it. Get the book Ray Tracing in a Weekend, it's wild. Yeah? Is it? Ray Tracing in a Weekend. Let's see this. Let's see this. Write it to a file, yeah. That's what I did earlier. Well, I didn't do it. AI did, but I saw it do it. So. Wait a second. Is it that simple to make an image? No way. Surely it's not that simple. No way. That is so cool. That is so cool. So this little bit of code right here, my webcam's covering it. This bit of code, only a few lines, can actually make a full image with colors. That is super interesting. Wow. There's a bunch of maths that I don't understand. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna read this. Definitely. Awesome, man. That is awesome. Alright. I'm not a vibe code, I don't see that. That's the ultimate disrespect. Yeah, kind of, yes, but it depends on the output format. Give us a goodnight kiss. No. Goodnight Izumi Sakurai. Goodnight JTag. Goodnight Original. Goodnight Mika. A goodnight pull up. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do a goodnight pull up. I'm sure people would like to see that instead of a kiss. You know what I mean? Which will never happen. Goodnight pull up. Yeah. Bro, why are you looking at my gap? I am not homosexual, please. Oh, this guy, I'm actually gonna ban him. That's crazy. Alright. What? Compromise to give you a... Alright, that's enough.